prayer, every step a reason. I and I stay grounded to every season. Babylon chat, but me now move light. Firm like stone when the world get fight. Seen enough sorrow, seen enough rain. Till me rise up, same heart, same flame. So me close me eye, make the noise fall back. Find the holy road in a the hidden track. One heartbeat, one truth, one name. Joy in me chest, never stay safe. Eternal meditation keep me irate. Eternal meditation free up me soul. Eternal meditation make me wiser. I and I steady in a the control. Oh Lord, I and I steady in a the control. Shadow, no one big time. Life too short to waste on empty crime. Me watch the thoughts like clouds pass by. No chain can hold when the spirit fly. When hunger talk loud and pride get dark. Stillness answer make the whole thing small. One little smile can break big fear. One deep truth make the pathway clear. So me close me eye, make the noise fall back. Find the holy road in a the hidden track. One heartbeat, one truth, one name. Joy in me chest, never stay safe. Eternal meditation keep me irate. Eternal meditation free up me soul. Eternal meditation make me wiser. I and I steady in a the control. Oh Lord, I and I steady in a the control. If the night get heavy, me still no fret. Sun a rise inside me, me not forget. From the roots to the sky, me spirit grow. Silent like mountain, deep like flow. Eternal meditation keep me irate. Eternal meditation free up me soul. Eternal meditation make me wiser. I and I steady in a the control. Steady now, I and I steady in a the control. Me rise with grace, sun touch earth, touch me face. Me heart no hurry, me mind no race. One little breath, find me place. Conscious spirit in a me chest. Heavy load but me still stand crest. Star may blow but me no best. Truth keep bright when the whole world does. Foot on the road, dust on the shoe. Every step me see through. False man chat but them words go few. Real light shine when the soul stay true. Still I see high vibes keep me centered. When life vex me get wiser. Them try jack but me get stronger. Loving on me bone, fire in me belly. Conscious spirit lead me on. Lead me on. Conscious spirit make me strong. Make me strong. When Babylon come, me hold my ground. Hold my ground. Conscious spirit lift me now. Me see the poor man, me see the king, but I search for the same one thing. More than food, more than bling. Want no peace when the soul starts sing. If you lose your way, start from within. Silence talk where the crowd cannot win. Big up the heart where the light begin. Clean up the fear, let the joy walk in. Every seed need rain and sun. Every soul need more than run. Chasing shadow till the day done. But truth stay firm like the rising one. Still I see high vibes keep me centered. When life vex me get wiser. Them try jack but me get stronger. Loving on me bone, fire on me banner. Conscious spirit lead me on. Lead me on. Conscious spirit make me strong. Make me strong. When Babylon come, me hold my ground. Hold my ground. Conscious spirit lift me now. Looking at the river, see your face. Not the mask, not the chase. What you give come back same place. Plant good seed in hard soil space. No need God to prove your worth. You was born with the breath of earth. Walk humble, carry your burden. Send sun warm, the rich and the dirt. Conscious spirit lead me on. Lead me on. Conscious spirit make me strong. Make me strong. When Babylon come, me hold my ground. Hold my ground. Conscious spirit lift me down. Conscious spirit lead me on. Lead me on. Conscious spirit make me strong. Make me strong. One love rise from the inner sound. Inner sound. Conscious spirit lift me down. Oh, whispering wine, where you tell me tonight. Say every man carries sun and shadow in a sight. Me walk on the road, feet tired but my mind still bright. Babylon a push, but my soul hold tight. Long time I learned, say no tree reach sky in ace. Rasta man know every bitter root makes sweet taste. If you want rise, first know your ground, no waste. Jah bless the one, move with grace. So me breathe in slow, let the firm truth grow. Man coulda chat big but action speak loud. Me see plenty lion disappear in a crowd. Every little blessing me take it and proud. No chase vanity, me steer earthbound. If your heart get heavy, don't sit down with the pain. Better rain pan the grave than fall smile in a chain. Me learn from the river, it never fight the rain. It just find path again. So me breathe in slow, let the firm truth grow. Even storm I go, still the seed I feel know. Whispering wind, carry me through, carry me through, carry me through. Whispering wind, show me what true, show me what true, show me what true. When night get thick and hope feel thin, remember set it down, live within. No beg, no crown, no worship, no grin. Just walk straight and begin again. Whispering wind, whispering carry me through, carry me through, carry me through. Whispering wind, show me what true, show me what true, show me what true. Keep the fire warm, keep the mind firm. Whispering wind, me hear you call. Stand up tall, stand up tall. Walk through the dawn, me feel the ground. Every rough road, it turned me around. Life can't fool me, me know the lesson. Even the pain bring a holy reflection. Babylon press, but me heart stay true. Jah light a moving a all we do. Breadfruit tree and a red bird line. Teach me to rise through the grief and rain. So me lift up me head from the dust where me tread. Hear the old wisdom call. One love stand tall. Zion reflection, I guide me steps. Zion reflection, I lose me breath. Zion reflection, hold the weak heart strong. Zion reflection, keep we forward long. Me see the youth them with fire in a eye. One holy fast, but truth walk by. Every shortcut catch up like shadow. Only clean hands plan tomorrow. If you lose your way, start over again. River no shame when it meet the rain. Stone foundation. Small little seed turn revelation. So me lift up me head from the dust where me tread. Hear the old wisdom call. One love stand tall. Zion reflection, I guide me step. Zion reflection, I lose me breath. Zion reflection, hold the weak heart strong. Zion reflection, keep we forward long. When the night get heavy, still me praise. Every scar a spark in the blaze. No bag of gold could buy the peace. Only truth make the restless cease. Zion reflection, I guide me steps. Zion reflection, I lose me breath. Zion reflection, hold the weak heart strong. Zion reflection, keep we forward long. Zion reflection, when me spirit bend. Zion reflection, it will have the end. Zion reflection, from beginning to end. Zion reflection, me little friend. Hear me now, brethren, hear me clear. Every step I take, Jah dey near. Stone in a shoe, still me a stride. Long road rough, but me not slide. Life teach truth in a every bruise. What you plant, one day must choose. So me lift me chin, me hold me ground, even when the whole place feel upside down. Burn the fear, let it pass. One small flame can outlast. Rasta hearts stay firm and true. What you give, come back to you. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, till the night gone. Take me higher, keep me strong. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, guide me through. Holy drum beat, brother true and true. When me weak, you make me strong. Holy drum beat, carry me on. No man born, feel live like slave. Mind come first, then body brave. Riches vanish, same like rain. But righteous seed remain in a pain. Me watch the river, never fight the flow. It know the valley, where it fi go. So me reason with the morning sun. Every loss can teach a man to run. Burn the pride, low and slow. Truth grow best where the cold wind blow. If the road rough, still go on. Jah light there where the dark get gone. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, till the night gone. Take me higher, keep me strong. Holy drum beat, carry me on. Holy drum beat, guide me through. Holy drum beat, brother true and true. When me weak, you make me strong. Holy drum beat, you learn. Night breeze talk true to me. Moonlight wash the dread. Every heavy thought will vex me. Me leave them on the bed. Them say the road rough, see, but my born fi trod it clean. Every scar turn scripture, every tear turn green. Jah put fire in a weary foot when the body won't give way. Me say ease up soul, and me blaze through the grave. So me meditate, let the mind get still. One love in a me chest, one prayer, one will. If the world get low, me nah lose my way. Me sit with the silence and hear what it say. Under the stars me rise, under the stars me strong, under the stars me find where the suffering belong. Under the stars me trust, under the stars me see. One breath, one road, one truth, Jah keep guiding me. Little more me remember, man no own no time. So me guard me spirit like a gold crown shine. No bad mind can plant roots where the river stay pure. No fake prayers can trick me when my purpose secure. See, me love the hard lesson, cause it shape how me stand. Even broken clear corner hold a righteous hand. So me lift up every youth we feel lost in the dark. Tell them carry your fire and protect your spark. So me meditate, let the mind get still. One love in a me chest, one prayer, one will. If the world get low, me nah lose my way. Me sit with the silence and hear what it say. Under the stars me rise, under the stars me strong, under the stars me find where the suffering belong. Under the stars me chant, under the stars me see. One breath, one road, one truth, Jah keep guiding me. When the night get deep and the fear them call, me remember say the sky still bigger than all. So me hold me center, me no run, me no flee. Every step me take now is absolving me. Under the stars me rise, under the stars me strong, under the stars me find where the suffering belong. Under the stars me chant, under the stars me see. One breath, one road, one truth, Jah keep guiding me. search for truth, them blind. Mental shackles, them confined. Jah light shining through the haze, breaking free from wicked ways. Sacred smoke arise up high, touching spirit in the sky. Give us vision, give us mind, burning bright through darkest night. From the earth it comes so pure, healing mind and heart for sure. One love, one aim, one destiny, sacred smoke for all to see. Sacred smoke arise up high, touching spirit in the sky. Give us vision, give us mind, burning bright through darkest night. Burning bright through darkest night. Burning bright through darkest night. Oh yeah. Whoa. Night sky over Africa, black velvet and blaze. Stars them a burn like wisdom in a ancient face. I walk on the ground, hear the earth talk slow, and every stone got a story, every breeze got a glow. Make me remember where the soul come from. Not from the fear, not from the lie, them run. From a place where the heart stand firm and true, where the moon light up all the things man do. So when the road get rough, me not sink, me not drown. Lift up me head when the whole world froze. One step, one breath, one prayer to the sky. Say brother, keep moving, don't you ask why. African night sky, show me the way. African night sky, carry me through the clay. African night sky, make me stay strong. Under that heaven me still belong. African night sky, guide me home. African night sky, yeah, me nah roam. See the child in the dust with a lion heart. No gold in her hand, still she play her part. She laugh in the heat, she dream in a plane. Turn every scar into sun after rain. Man chase vanity, then him lose him name. Run from him shadow, feet on shame. But truth stand up like a baobab tree, root deep in the dark, that's how we get free. So when the night come down and the doubts get low, remember the drumming of the bones of the pro. If your back get bent, still your spirit fly high. Raise up your voice to the wandering sky. African night sky, show me the way. African night sky, carry me through the clay. sky, guide me home. African night sky, yeah, me nah roam. Listen, brethren, the mountain no move in a day. River cut stone by the same slow way. So walk with patience and walk with fire. The soul get taller through the good and the tired. If the word said don't say begin. If the door stay closed, find the way. Me no beg for light when the stars dead. Me learn to shine from the night. Hey, hey. African night sky, show me the way. African night sky, carry me through the clay. African night sky, make me stay strong. Under that heaven, me still belong. African night sky, guide me home. African night sky, yeah, me narrow. Inna the valley we hail from the clay. Make me tell you every rock of us say. River teach, stone I remember. Hard road breeds strength from January to December. Man say why you still stand so? Me say because the breeze still blow. When life get rough like cut cane skin. Hold the faith, member say the night can't win. So we chip down the doubt, step out with grace. Plant good seed in the troubled place. Every small joy, keep it near. Listen close, the truth is clear. Dub inna the valley, we rise again. Dub inna the valley, through sun and rain. Hold on, hold firm, no afraid to bend. Dub inna the valley till the road it mend. Dub inna the valley, we chant and move. Dub inna the valley, find your groove. If your heart get low and your spirit tired, dub inna the valley, get back inspired. See the old man laugh by the mango tree. Him know say peace no come free. Make the bread, share the bread. One love grow, the pride get dead. Now beg luck, we build with hands, stone by stone. We make the land, every tear we fall in at the dust. Turn to courage, turn to trust. So we chip down the doubt, step out with grace. Plant good seed in the troubled place. Every small joy, keep it near. Listen close, the truth is clear. Dub inna the valley, we rise again. Dub inna the valley, through sun and rain. Hold on, hold firm, no afraid to bend. Dub inna the valley till the road it mend. Dub inna the valley, we chant and move. Dub inna the valley, find your groove. If your heart get low and your spirit tired, dub inna the valley, get back inspired. Let them talk and go the root them deep. So the whole tree grow. Every storm is a teacher too. It break you open, make you true. When the night draw long and cold, find the fire in your soul. No live for fear, live for rise. See the mountain through bright eyes. Dub inna the valley, we rise again. Dub inna the valley, through sun and rain. Hold on, hold firm, no afraid to bend. Dub inna the valley till the road it mend. Dub inna the valley, we chant and move. Dub inna the valley, find your groove. If your heart get low and your spirit tired, dub inna the valley, get the flame. Watch we turn gold in a slow motion frame. Babylon chat but the night still calm. Heartbeat steady like a drum in a palm. Me say every spark got a story to tell. From the ash and the smoke still we rise so well. So me hold the light and me hold the road. One small blaze can lighten heavy load. No need for force it, no need for fight. Truth come easy when you feed the light. Peaceful firelight, keep me whole. Peaceful firelight, bless my soul. Ease up brother, ease up sister. One love glowing at the warm night center. Peaceful firelight, stay bright. Peaceful firelight, peaceful firelight, guide me right. One love, one life. Man I chase paper like arc in the wind, but the real rich life start from within. Me say bare feet dance on a coral stone, and realize joy can be bought our own. Every hard road where me sweat and tread, teach me how to live, not how to dread. If you lose your way, just look on the skies. See a moon and watch over the humble and wise. So me hold the light and me hold the road. One small blaze can lighten heavy load. No need for fast it, no need for fight. Truth come easy when you feed the light. Peaceful firelight, keep me whole. Peaceful firelight, bless me soul. Ease up brother, ease up sister. One love glowing at the warm night center. Peaceful firelight, stay bright. Peaceful firelight, peaceful firelight, guide me right. One breath, one life. When the storm pass through, we don't run, we learn. Ash to wisdom, let the old pain burn. Me not beg for crown, me not beg for throne. Just a clean, clear mind and a heart like stone. Solid like the root, soft like the rain. Hold the lesson, let go the chain. Peaceful firelight,